You've probably heard of vaginal rejuvenation surgery, which does a great job at improving the external appearance of the genitalia. However, a lot of women suffer from a condition known as vaginal atrophy. And this can be due to a variety of causes such as menopause, chemotherapy, radiation, and yes, even Ozempic can cause vaginal atrophy. Many women who suffer with vaginal atrophy experience symptoms such as dryness, irritation, painful intercourse, visual changes, and frequent urinary tract infections. Historically, the only option available to help with vaginal atrophy has been hormone replacement therapy. However, there is an exciting product on the market called CO2 Lift V, which is both a topical as well as an intravaginal product that helps deliver CO2 or carbon dioxide delivery to the tissues, which in turn improves oxygenation and blood flow to the area. The end result is that a lot of women who use CO2 Lift V experience thickening of the tissues, increased lubrication, increased sensation, and yes, even increased libido. It's an amazing product. Our patients absolutely love it. And if you think that you have vaginal atrophy, CO2 Lift V can be very effective at helping to alleviate some of the symptoms that you're experiencing.